Hello everyone, this is Blessing Paul. In this video I'm going to explain about fragment layouts. So I've already created a demo for my fragment layout app. So this is an app. You can see over here I actually have different fragments layout. It is a list fragment. So you can see over here whenever there's a list with the names of some of the colors, that is blue, black, yellow, magenta, red and can. So you can see whenever I click on any of the color, that particular color is shown in the list tab. So there are two different fragments. There's a list fragment and there's a normal fragment. So you can see over here, by clicking on the colors I can actually change the color of the other fragment. So this is all the video is about. So let's get into the code. So the first thing is XML code. So you can see over here, this is the layout of the interface. Yeah, I've used a linear layout over here, and then I'm sorry. Now inside cylinder I have used two fragments, so that's why I've given two fragment tags over here. So I've given the ID for each fragment so that I can get the reference to this fragment in my java.com, java pages. Now you can see in this now you can see over here I have created two different fragments, and each fragment, as I said in the previous video, will have its own Java file and its own XML file. So this is the Java file of my list fragment, where all the list has been displayed. So you can see I have three Java files over here. One is the main activity file, then the list fragment and the test fragment. Now in the main activity, I did nothing much over here. Now getting to the list fragment activity. Now inside the list fragment activity, you can see over here I have used first of all I have inflated the list view I've inflated the list view into a container, that is a view is going to inflate r.layout.list fragment container false. Now this list view has to come in the form of a list. For that I have used a list view tag, that is list view is equal to list view dot find view by id r.id list. Now inside the list I have to get display some strings, so I'm declaring a string called string colors, and inside that some value blue, black, yellow, magenta, red and cyan. Now to populate this list view, I'm going to use an adapter, that is array adapter is equal to new array adapter get activity android.r.layout at symbol list dot item 1 dot comma colors. Colors is the name of the string. So you can see over here after populating now to populate the list view, I'm going to set the adapter to the list view, that is list view dot set adapter. Now I'm going to register the list view with a click listener on item click listener. So whenever the list view is clicked, you can see whenever the item was clicked, the color has been was in the other frame. So for fragment, so for that I have used all set on item click listener. Now inside that you can see we have overridden the on item click method. Inside that we have actually declare a string called data, and the data is taken from the view 1, that is the first view, whatever is there in that particular list, that value is been extracted and put into the data string, and that data will be given to the fragment manager and put it into the other fragment. Now for that we want the fragment manager so hence we take the fragment manager by calling it, by invoking it, or creating an object of that fragment manager by using the fragment manager. Fragment manager is equal to get fragment manager. So get fragment manager method is used to get the object for the fragment manager. Now using the object we can actually find the different fragments by the ID. Fragment manager dot find fragment by ID, and then the ID is given. Now for the second fragment we're going to get the view first, and then set its background color according to the data which has been given. So for that it is r.id.fragment2.get view dot set background color color dot pass color, and this data is the one that we got from the view or test view of the first fragment and the list fragment. So that's how we set the color of the second fragment. Now also test frag is equal to test fragment manager dot find fragment id e fragment. So this is how we actually find the fragment manager. To set that particular fragment manager, we actually for that color of the fragment, we actually want to find that fragment. For that we are using this find fragment by IDE method. And finally we're going to set this data to the fragment by using the set test data. So that was a list fragment. Now the test fragment is really simple. There's nothing, we're just inflating the layout. That's how we're doing in the test fragment. Because it is only displaying the name of the color in the layouts. That's why you only have to get the reference of the test view in the test frag.xml page. So there's only one test view. We're getting the its reference in the test frag.java. So that's all that happens in the fragments. So that's all of the video. Thank you so much for watching.